Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add 3D effects to video in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First things first, drag the footage you want to animate into the project timeline or sequence. Then, analyze the footage, decide which part you are going to use and which part won't. After finalizing the analyzing, go to Effects tab. Search Basic 3D and drag it into the footage. Now go to Effect Controls tab. In the Basic 3D option, here you have to work on the 3D effect in the footage you want to apply. Here, basically, three options are important: swivel, tilt, and distance to image. Using swivel, you can change the horizontal value. Using tilt, you and change vertical value. And using distance to image, you can change video distance value. Now, change their values. Setting keyframe, from first frame to last frame. There is no specific value for videos. It depends on your video and the effect you want to try. You can try an experiment here to figure out what kind of effects or motion suits your video mood. You can change the position values in the motion option additionally. After doing the experiment, you should get the result you wanted. Now check the final video if it's worked or not. That's it. That's how you add 3D effects to video in Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.